Embracing a work-from-home culture quickly means we're all being a little more creative to ensure productivity. It is possible to keep your training momentum going even while working remotely. Enable Education makes this easy. Our video producers have designed a way for you to record professional training videos without leaving your home. In fact, this video is a prime example. My team has been coaching me during the recording of this video, and they're not even here.
We've got your back, even though we're in different locations, and there's no need to compromise. By recording videos through a remote platform, you can expect the same high level of service and support we'd provide in our professional studios. With a simple backdrop, a tripod, and your existing smartphone, you can transform nearly any space into a studio. We can even send you the equipment you need to do this. Post-production is quick and can include your slide deck or related materials.
We are training experts. Enable Education can help you identify key learning objectives and create the high-quality materials your staff needs to upgrade their skills. We can work with your subject matter experts no matter where they are and help them share their knowledge at scale. Sign up for a remote training video package today and help your workforce succeed in this ever-changing world.